Harwin Datamate J-Tek and Gecko flex printed circuit assemblies are a low-profile alternative to standard cable connectors that allow designers to stack PCBs closer together. Options include 2mm pitch Datamate J-Tek connectors on a 1mm pitch FPC, or 1.25mm pitch Gecko connectors on a 0.5mm pitch FPC. FPC assemblies also offer a much tighter bend radius than comparable cable assemblies, further reducing spacing concerns. The assemblies are rated for operation from -65 to +150 degrees Celsius. They're shock and vibration proof and have stainless steel locking screws or latching to ensure a secure connection, with 4-finger beryllium copper contacts to ensure signal integrity even under high vibration. Single and double-ended assemblies are available, and the assemblies are rated for up to 1 amp per track.